Introducing the new Pro Square by Tracer, an adjustable roofing square available in both 12 and 7-inch sizes. Each component of the square has been CNC machined from solid blocks of aluminium. This allows it to be lightweight and strong, while more precise than other production methods. Instead of using paint markings which can wear over time, the graduations and text have been laser etched directly into the metal. This ensures the markings remain clearly visible through the entire life of the product. The 12-inch Tracer Pro Square also has a number of unique features that aren't always available on squares in its price range. These include metric markings, 1/3 rafter guides, and a parallel marking guide. The long edge of the square has two main functions. The first being a quick and easy way to mark a 45-degree line on the timber as shown. The second is the ability to quickly create an angled mark on our timber. We just pivot the square as shown, while using the graduations on this outer edge as a guide. In this example, the tool has been pivoted to 30 degrees. Now marking the back edge, you are left with a 30-degree mark from the square on our timber. When the adjustable arm is in the 0 position, you can use the back edge to quickly mark perpendicular lines on the timber. This is especially useful if you need to quickly cut the timber down to size. The adjustable arm sits at true 0. This isn't always the case with lower quality squares and is one of the many benefits of the high quality CNC process. The Tracer Pro Square uses a metric measurement system rather than replicating the imperial system commonly used in the past. This makes the square considerably more convenient, as the scale doesn't require any converting from a manual. As an example, let's say the pitch of your roof is 30 degrees. You can just set the roof pitch on the adjustable arm to 30. Lock it off, and now you are ready to mark the rafter, plumb and seat cuts. Hip and valley cuts are just as easy too. Simply adjust the arm to the matching angle that you used for the roof pitch, but this time use the hip and valley scale as your guide. Lock it off and mark. Now on to marking a bird's mouth. The Tracer Pro Square features 1/3 rafter marking guides, and by selecting the notch that requires your timber width, in this case 145 mm, you can quickly and easily mark out the required depth for your bird's mouth cut. Next, you need to mark from the ridge to the edge of the wall plate. You can then set the adjustable arm to match the gradient and quickly and easily mark the plumb and seat cuts. And that's all there is to it, a perfect bird's mouth. The final feature of the Tracer Pro Square is the ability to quickly mark parallel lines from 0 to 200 mm in 5 mm increments. To do this, place your pencil within the notch at the measurement required and pull the square along the edge of the timber. Perfect parallel lines every time. For more information and to view our full product range, please visit tracer-tools.com.